Research and Production Enterprise, Standard, is a leader in the development and production of individual respiratory protective equipment and non-woven filtering materials in Ukraine. All new products of the company are designed and implemented by our specialist using filtering material ELEFLEN of our own production, while focusing on consumers' requests and based on modern technologies. Standard offers new, innovative filtering half mask of the iMASK trademark. The iMASK half mask is designed to protect the respiratory system from polydispersed aerosols, dust, smoke, fog. The masks are made of 3 protective classes and are available valved and unvalved. iMASK Pro V half mask with carbon filter material, high filtering efficiency, organic and inorganic vapors, gases emitted during various types of welding. ELEFLEN antibacterial material of the half mask allows reusing it without disinfection. iMASK medicine half mask, protection of healthcare personnel and the public during pandemics. iMASK half mask design, patented, innovative design. The 3-panel fold design does not prevent facial expressions, fits any type of face, provides wearing comfort, and is easy to store. Low breathing resistance. ELEFLEN hypoallergenic filtering material provides effective filtration of incoming air. Large filter surface area provides low breathing resistance. Stiffening ribs prevents the half mask from sticking, allows it to hold the shape in case of crumpling and in conditions of high temperature and humidity. Polyurethane nose panel provides a comfortable seal of the half mask to the face, does not irritate the skin, reduces fogging of eyewear. Hidden nose clip. The half mask can be adjusted to any nose shape. Exhalation valve removes hot and moist exhaled air out of the half mask, prevents condensation forming, and ensures minimal temperature level inside the half mask space. Uniform headbands tension. The elastic headbands of the half mask are stretched, evenly distributing the load on the neck, head, and face. The length adjuster ensures achieving a comfortable fit. Shaped tongue helps to straighten the half mask on the face easily. iMASK filtering half mask have been tested for compliance with all the necessary requirements. iMASK filtering half mask, premium quality and guaranteed safety.